And we're good. So, yeah. I did look up what's probably going to be needed so we can get some money, but I decided I wanted to do a little bit of just some miscellaneous of the arenas, the ship battles on camera. Don't know how long I'm going to go, but I'm going to show you what we're looking for. This, the nuclear detonation device. That can be used to basically auto-complete one of the space missions. So you can be doing, supposedly if you're good at it, you can be completing the mission in 5 seconds, between 5 and 15 seconds. We're not gonna go straight to that, we're gonna go do the Megacorps game. Megacorp games, not Megacorps. But the Megacorp games, and we're gonna do some more arena stuff. I think that'll be fun. I want to kind of get it to the point where I can do that and kind of show off what I think is supposed to happen, and then we can work from there to finish basically the rest of it. Like, I can do the rest of it off screen. My brain. Again, I'm a little tired, so I may be a little bit more out of it than usual, and we probably won't play super long, but we'll see. I at least want to, again, get that nuke before we're done, even if I have to kind of race to that. Oh, and I'm realizing, haha, OBS is a little funny. You didn't miss much, just me going from planet to planet. So. Arena 2. Electric Boogaloo. So, that was for the Infiltrator. Arachnoid Battle. Don't take a hit. Time challenge. Let's do Arachnoid Battle.
The terror of Ratchet. It's shocking. It's amazing. Give it up for the Arachnoid.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what's it gonna do now? Okay, so it doesn't let you get close.
He's massacring them.
This is going to be interesting considering... Oh, I guess I can use this.
The Arachnoid is at
There.
the end of his road.
Ah! Oh, low on ammo, I'm realizing. Ta-da! We did it!
Ratchet and the metal guy win the prize.
Decent amount of boats. Not that many, but I need to go buy some ammo. I'm debating on what I want to do, because again, I'm a little on the tired side. I'd like to go for at least an hour, but I don't know much beyond that, so I'm debating if I want to spend super much time with the arena. I wish this was a less roundabout way to the ship. And the nearest Megacorp buy station. Okay. And so my plan, and I will kind of go over my thought process, what I want to do, is we're going to get all the bolts that we need. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like piece by piece. I'll buy all the weapons because that just gives variety. But like the armor upgrades, I'll wait. And like I'll buy the first one because I think it feels kind of necessary. But like the full armor thing, I'll probably wait on. And I'll even sit down and probably buy both of the big guns, the Rhino 2 and the other gun that was there, the really expensive one that's new. I'll look at it later. I can't think of its name, but they're really nice gun for this game. Okay, I think this is a good way to handle this. I've lost. That's 5 rounds. I don't know if I care to do a no-hit challenge. For 5,000 bolts.
Time for a cage match.
I believe this is one where I could theoretically I kind of enjoyed like taking this and like trying to use the environment. The smaller guys it's a little harder on. I'll probably get myself into some trouble. I saved your life. See what thanks I get. Ta-da! Okay. Realizing that I'm zoning out hard. and not doing the talk as well as I normally do. So yeah, I don't think this stream is gonna last super long. I'm gonna try to last as long as I can. But we'll see. Yay.
And the prize goes to Ratchet and the metal guy.
Okay. Nope. Okay.
Ratchet is keeping his ground.
Don't know if I'm going fast enough. Okay, that probably helped a bit. Okay. Okay. Um. I just think I barely made that at 7 seconds. Yay! Limited weapon. Use wrench only. Okay, I'm good with this. Favorite weapon only. Wrench, wrench, wrench. Wrench, 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 wrench. Normally I try to not put myself in a situation where I don't sleep enough, which is kind of what happened. I needed to do some stuff today and ended up having to kind of overbook myself and then stayed up way too late. And is that it? Nope. Done. It's 20,000. We're gonna see how long this impossible challenge takes, and it might be the last thing we do. Get all the spinning orbs. Okay. Oh. Okay. I didn't realize that that was happening right then and there. So we gotta pay attention to the palaver.
He's massacring them.
Gonna get sliced up a little bit.
Ratchet is keeping his ground.
For now, I'm keeping my ground. And okay. Okay, and yeah, so they're pushing us up here. Would have liked that just a little bit more evident. But there's only so much you can do. And I think the only thing that might be dangerous is I've been playing pretty sloppy. So I may not have enough health for all this. I assume we're gonna get the boss at some point. Okay. There we go. It'd be nice if the hazards did a little more than just inconvenience them. But I realize the hazards are more for me than they are for the enemies. It'd be nice if also the blade had to actually be starting to spin before they start damaging on those little, like, blade mines. Yeah, I don't think without getting any life here. Which at this point I don't see them giving me life. I definitely would have had to have gotten it down there. I'm probably not gonna make it. Ouch. And that was only 20. I don't know how long that is.
See ya.
I don't know if I care. I wanna, like, play with a couple other things. At least, again, at least get the stuff that we need. Which means we're gonna do some ship missions for the stuff we need. The raritanium. But it is fun to see that that's there. We may go back to do that later. Possibly when I take even less damage. Or just when I'm playing better. Today I'm a little off. That being said, like, it's just because I was playing bad. It's not like the game made to do this. This is the one that we want to go to. So this is the planet that has the mission. We've done this one. This is the one that we need to do. Apparently, at the beginning there, you can do something with the nuke that just ends this. I don't know why I boosted there. Okay. We've got 2 raritanium so far. I wanted to do this one the right way. Yeah, it's like you're supposed to like tilt up just a little bit to hit that island there. It's weird because this functions slightly differently because it's in atmosphere, which is kind of cool. I like that. That like I can't do the complete inversions and whatnot. Okay, full shield. I don't think the enemy AI has quite got the same limitations I do, which is fine. I'm not like saying they should. Them being able to just do full inversion so they can get back into it quick, I think works better. Okay, 12 ships remain. Eight. Three. Done. Defeat the ghost ship. Okay, so that's the ghost ship. Oh, no, it doesn't have solid form anymore. And let's get it. Oh, that's not good. Ouch. Okay. So I need to hold back for a minute. Okay. This might require some more upgrades. But 30,000 is pretty good, so. There's also a lot of ships here that I probably can take out for stuff. Like, this might just be a great place to farm Raritanium because of all the ships. I just rolled myself into a cliff. Yeah, I gotta do this more. Okay, so this is, I think, already going a little bit better than previous attempts have. Okay, so I have enough for the nuke, though. Which I probably did before. No, I've gotten more than one from this. Okay. Nope. Crap. Don't do that. Don't run into it. We do win. Okay, gotta get back around. Get some more missile ammo. Get some rare titanium. I'm missing all of my openings here. Oh, I'm also at the edge of the arena. And it's down. 30,000 bolts. Yeah, we'll do this race. I don't know if I plan on... winning this race, but... I'm not sure what going through each of these rings exactly does. 'Cause I got to win when I had missed a whole bunch of them last time. So... and this is a lot. Not the first one was exactly easy. That's mildly obnoxious that I really even couldn't see that until I had already kind of missed it. Win. So yeah, these give diminishing returns each time, but let's do the Slim's cargo. And let's see what this looks like, and then I think I'll do a couple other look at a couple other things. Maybe go back to that arena that I hopped out of. Nuclear detonation. Cool. That's all of what I have. And so it's... do we have another? I'm trying to remember. No, we don't. Was there another flying thing, though? This one. We can do stuff in there, but I want to see how this is supposed to work. So. So it's challenge 2. Oh, I've got to switch to nukes. Maybe it's this center thing. Oh, I only get one of those. Okay, so let's kill ourselves and restart. Okay, so I'm down to one enemy ship that looks like he's coming straight at me. I do kind of want to pick up all this rare titanium. Honestly, actually getting this last ship is gonna take... didn't take that long, but yeah. So, and then we restart. Do that. 0 ships. Done. Out. And I think that's gonna be the... And 0 ships. Rinse, repeat. So this is the tactic everyone says is the best way to get bolts in this game. Which I can see. Like, that's pretty busted. I want to do a couple things. So let's hit up Grelvin. Yeah. Because we got some money. I don't think we have enough for the next armor set. Which would be preferable, but I don't think we have enough for it. Let me grab some bolts and see. No, we don't. So the next armor set, which we can get right here, is 2,500. I'm pretty close, but I'm not gonna actually spend money on that right now. Because I think, what the hell? We got money. Let's... Okay, I went through money real fast. This one, the Zodiac, is gonna be what we want. But we just got a few new weapons. Let's run through our quick select and... Fighter glove. Is this just like a scouting thing? Oh, it blows up. Neat. Blitz gun, which was the like shotgun. Lava gun. I wonder, like, I doubt it, but I'm curious. I was hoping like this would do like some extra damage. But it doesn't seem to be doing like any extra damage. And maybe it is, maybe that these guys are just that tough, but like... Oh, we can still get more nanotech. How great. I wonder if they put it, like, I gotta assume there's some cap on it, but it's high. My guess is that we can get a full another line. But yeah, those... Oh, miniature glove. Oh, it literally sits down a turret. Let's enter the mine chat. No, that's this. And I needed... How many do I need for him to be happy and give me 16? Thing doesn't even last long enough to kill one of them. 3 of them. Like 2.5 roughly. So yeah, that's gonna be somewhat of a grind. We've got one other thing that we can do to get some stuff with the ship. And then I think we might just kinda call it quits there. This one. Whew. Yeah, I didn't realize quite how tired I was until I got up from the couch and was like, I gotta get ready to stream. And I'm like, I am so tired. Okay. This should make this a lot easier. Okay, on Saboteur. Let's get him. And done. 9,000 points. Next challenge. Okay. I don't know. I didn't look at how many total was there to begin with, but all but 8 seemed pretty good. Ta-da! Missed one. Part of me wants to go, this is so much easier than Gorn, which was the last planet we were on flying. But I'm like, yeah, but Gorn's also further in the game. I feel like it should be easier to do this. Eh. Trying to not throw myself too far off course when boosting. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna spend a little bit more time on get this too nice. Do I wanna? We're a little under an hour of being live, so this is very short for me. But I am real tired. And what I really need to do is gonna be here. I'm gonna just show you again what we're gonna spend. I'm gonna spend a whole bunch of time off camera doing, because this will be something I can do, like watching Netflix or something. Okay, I think something bugged. Something bugged a lot. Bam! I missed a ship. Probably a really high up one. Yep, done. That was a lot worse. Like, all things considered, I can still get this down real fast. In comparison to, like, the first time. But it's gonna take a bit of finessing to kind of get used to. Doing this. And like a lot of it depends on where these guys are. Because I need to hit that central thing, and I think I need to hit it just a little higher up. Oof, killed myself. Oh no, maybe I do need to hit this thing here. But I need to hit it at a specific height. So. But you can see kind of where this, I feel like this is repetitive. So we did something repetitive kind of in the first Ratchet and Clank like this to get bolts. Except for it required a little less effort. This requires enough of my thought process that I don't think I can talk very well. Can't really talk very well anyways right now. But I'm not going to do this right now, so hope you guys have enjoyed. I'm gonna get onto a planet so I can talk for a second, but I do hope you guys have enjoyed this kind of shorter, more bite-sized episode. I'll be back to do more of this on Wednesday, and if you're watching the VOD, there may be more already, or Wednesday, / probably Thursday to wait for it to go up. But yeah, we're gonna do some better stuff. We're gonna get some more stuff. We're gonna try and buy everything that the world has to offer. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye-bye.